Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix this content is not available right now on Facebook. So let's see how to solve it. At first, go to your Play Store app, search for Facebook, click on update, just wait, update Facebook and go to your settings. Now scroll down a little bit, click on apps. Now scroll down a little bit, click on search option, search for Facebook, click here. Now scroll down a little bit, click on storage, click on clear cache and clear data, go back, click on force stop, click on OK. Now scroll down little up, click on permissions. Permission is allow available. Make sure permission is enabled. Go back and top of the home screen. Now restart your device. Click on restart option and open your Facebook application. Click on save. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.